If you do that first, then you can carry on with this video. Hello guys, thanks for dropping in. I'm Rick, welcome to the channel. And in this little clip, it's just a little decal set I've added to the 1290 Super Adventure. My main project is still the 790R I'm working on, but I did put this 1290 back into stock format. Everything went back to stock, and it was looking a little bit sad next to my 790R that I've pretty much dressed up and spent a fortune on. So I've got a matching decal set for this bike, and it looks wicked, but it's a personal taste. Check it out. I got it from Motoproworks. Yeah, any comments, drop in the comment section. If you want to know more about it, just message me as you normally do anyway, and I'll get back to you. Pretty busy with work. Life's starting to settle down a bit more normality. So yeah, I'll have more time to get back to some of the questions, and I do apologise if I have not replied to some. Anyway, it's a very short clip, nothing major. New decal set on the 1290, and I put all the off-road stuff back on, engine bars, spoke rims, and I got a Krieger set of bags on as well, as you'll probably spot. All right, I'll catch up with you again shortly. Well, I hope you find that video entertaining or useful if you're looking for a new decal set. It is quite loud, so you've got to have that in your personality. If you like garish stuff, which I like, in your face kind of stuff, then it suits me. You might like it. Check out Motoproworks and see what they've got. They've got a ton of different styles. Same as the Rabbit, which I'm still very fond of and will use. So I just thought I'd try something different this time, that's all. And I've got the matching set on my 790R, as you'll see in the last photo, as just gone by. if you're new to the channel, I've got about 100 videos mostly based around the 1290 Super Adventure. So yeah, check them out. If you need to know anything, I'll try and help. And if you want some info or advice on some of the bits that I've bought, or applying stuff like the decals, just drop me a comment, and I'll do my best. All right. Have a good evening. See you later.